Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a 14 F250 here, and I've had a couple of comments about how to install the belt. I've already went and had replaced the vacuum pump gasket. You can see the new orange gasket between there. I thought this would be a good opportunity to show, with everything apart, how to properly route the belt around all your pulleys. So here we go. Alright, first off, you want to make sure you get the right belt, whether or not you have single alternator or dual alternator. This one's single alt. We have one here. The dual alternator assembly would be right here. So we've gone ahead and got the right belt. This is a Motorcraft belt, and this is the number if you guys want to replace it. This is for a single alt. And what we're going to do is, the first thing that I do is I wrap it around the tensioner like this, so that the flat side is on the pulley. Then I walk around the main heart of this thing, put it around the crank, go all the way around. We're going to come to the pulley that the fan attaches to. We're going to go down around under our primary water pump. We're going to come around our power steering pump. We're going to go under our flat idler. And around our alternator. Then we're going to come over here. We're going to make sure it is under our AC compressor, and then we're at the point where we can't go anymore. So to get around our secondary water pump pulley, we need to go ahead and take the tension off the tensioner. The last thing we need to do is put this underneath this, the last idler. And that is how you put your belt on your 6.7 liter Powerstroke, pretty much from 11 to current model year. So always start with your tensioner. I go around the crank, around the pulley that the fan attaches to, our primary water pump, up around our power steering pump, our first idler, our alternator, and then I come back over to the passenger side of the engine, hit our AC compressor, take the tension off, put it around our secondary water pump, and then lastly, our last idler. Alright, you guys, tell me what you think about that in the comment section below. If anybody's ever had to replace their belt on their Powerstroke, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next Friday.